Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm just wanna share with you what I bought. I think I bought this one last 2 days ago. Sunday. It's a Sunday, Palm Sunday. This one is buy one take one. So it's diamond picture adhesive masonry canvas. So this is size 40 by 40 centimeter. It's 5D rhinestone. I bought 2 pieces because it's buy one take one on sale at Showcase. So I just want to share with you and let's open it. This horse one is really good, but this one is good also. Lady, it's a lady. Let me begin with this one. I think so. They're both okay, but let's see. Let's open this one. I think it comes with all the accessories that I'll be needing with this one. So this is how it looks like. Ooh. Okay, there's a plastic on top. Okay, I'm actually in the dining area right now. So here. Oh, I like it. And it comes with this one and this one. It says the number each plastic. So this one is horse. This horse looks like so sad. But maybe afterwards that I put this one, because these are yellowish and light yellow, like golden thing. Maybe it's gonna look very nice. So I think I'm gonna go and start with this one. I don't know what they call this picture. Let's start. Okay, so let's read the instructions. It comes with this one. Operation steps. Number 1, open the package and take out the kit, of course. Number 2, take out the drilling packages. Check the number which on the bag one by one correspond to the marks on the canvas. Place a suitable amount of glue in the pen head. Take out the drilling bag with the corresponding color number. Be careful and not to mix the content in the bags. Put the diamond on the plastic plate. Put the diamond, this is the diamond, looks like beads, and peel off the protective film from one part of the canvas, then use the pen head to press. Use a flat item like a book to press, blah blah blah. Tips: in order to ensure that adhesive strength canvas, please peel off the protective film one by one. This is not a toy, keep out of the... Okay, let's open this one. This is like a small thingy that you're gonna put the diamond, and then this is the tool that you're going to press the diamond in the picture. You know, for me this is like cross stitch, but cross stitch is more delicate. I do that before. So this is the glue. Is there a film? Oh yeah, this is what the instruction said, to remove the film. So here is the film. Let's prepare first. Okay guys, I'm back. This is very complicated, you know. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Then I have some clips also here, and then clip it for the meantime. Okay, so I just do that one because there's a glue on top, so you want to make sure, you know. Okay, scissors there. So get the glue here, then peel it off. Ooh, this is exciting. Okay, now I know it. Oh shoot, I pressed it so deep. Then afterwards, I thought this one's gonna be easy. I don't see it's easy. Oh man, just very light maybe, because this is what happened. Look at that. Okay, then let's put it. So I don't know if you really see it, but let's do this, guys. Ooh, this is not easy. If you don't have patience like me, I think this is not for you. Okay, there. Okay guys, now I got it. So what I have to do is dip in this pen here, not the diamond, then do this way. So it's gonna be easier to be, you know, sticked on the pen, then go back there. Okay guys, I got some flashlight in front of me just to make sure that you can see it on the video, because as far as I can see a while back, it's not that clear. So this is how I do it, guys. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. So this one, I just put it to fold it. Oops. So there, you have to do here first. Dip the pen there. Then you have to be very careful. Then put it in the appropriate code or letter. See, it's going up, so let me put it again. Then I always dip the pen here. Then take this one. See, then put it there. Okay, you need to have clean hands before doing this and be very patient. Oh man, did you see that? It's already there. Oh, see what happened? Don't put your hands there. Okay, the reason why I'm already not dipping it, it's already inside here. If you can see that pink one, and it's already broke. Then afterwards, you have to put the book or any heavy, flat thing. So remember, I'm starting with the gray one, which is letter L. And I feel like doing this. I thought it's so hard, but now, maybe at the very first step, but right now, it seems to be, I'm loving it. You see how I'm doing it right now? It's kind of easy now, rather than my first, second, third steps doing this one. And there's a glue anyway, so you don't have to remove the film all over unless you're gonna finish it. So right now it's already 10:45 in the evening. So now I feel like doing this one, and I want to share with you how to do this thing. I love it, guys. I feel so excited. It's like I want to finish this one, but we all know, guys, we have some other day to finish this one. I think it's easier because the glue is already here. I don't have to dip it. Okay, guys, next I have to move on the other color because I don't want to finish all the letter L, which is the gray one. So let me go with the green, which is on the very this side. So you have to make sure also that you're putting it on the circles and as much as possible straight, so it looks very nice. You really have to have the container like for the paintings, those small ones, so you don't have to clip it and then go with it, then clip it, return, or what. I didn't expect it because it's my first time, but that's my idea. This is really relaxing, but it's just your nape. It's not painful, but it's gonna hurt at the first place. I really feel so excited, guys, for the outcome. But for sure, I'm gonna hurt my nape if I'm gonna finish this tonight. For sure, we're going to continue. But I'm just showing you how it feels. What song would you want me to sing? I love singing ever since, but I stopped singing like... It's just funny because I remember, when I'm already living with my partner, I feel so shy. So it's like I stopped singing for years. Like I sing but not that much. But before, when I'm still living with my parents, I sing a lot. I sing in the washroom the whole time. When I'm in the washroom taking a bath or poopy, sing and play music. But afterwards, but now not that much, but I still sing. I'm thinking, I love Morissette Amon. If you know her from Philippines, I love that girl. Also, Casey Tandingan. There's a lot of good singers in the Philippines. Never Enough song is too high. What's the beginning of that song? I'm trying to hold my breath. Letting again. I'm trying to hold my breath, letting it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set of a dream in me, getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand. Will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all... I don't know the lyrics. I already forgot it, so I have to have a lyrics in front of me. So there, that's all I can sing right now because I don't really know that much. What else? So I'm putting letter K, which is white. I also like Jonah. What song is that? Maghihintay Ako. That's Tagalog. Okay, I just wanna sing this one because I just remember. One. Ako sa'yo, ikaw ay akin. I feel so shy. Ganda mo sa paningin. Asahan mo ko'y nag-isa. Sana'y tabihan ng sa ilalim ng puting ilaw. I feel so shy, man. Next. Let's just proceed doing this one. I wanna, do this area, making sure that I'm not gonna miss any stones that I have to put. So let's go with letter H, which is number 8. Where's number 8? And letter G is 7 with letter H. See, I think this is, easier. Like, you really put that glue here and stuck here. So it's easier. You don't have to go back and go back. It's kind of confusing because it's almost close colors, and the rhinestones, this one, rhine crystal, doesn't match the color there. Be careful, guys. I already bought some organizers for my drawers, and it's so funny because I bought the condiments and spice organizers for the drawers, and it's too big and it does look so ugly. I bought 2, and that one I cannot even return or refund. So, and I don't have any other drawers to put that one, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. So maybe very soon I'm gonna show you because I'm not yet finished. I still have to buy organizers that will fit the drawer. So it's like, I'm realizing right now because my husband wants me the pricey one, and I said I don't want, because the mom dressing table, we all know that all vloggers, not only vloggers, all who loves makeup, they have that kind of vanity, the mom dressing. So I bought that one. My husband wants the other one. It's a smaller one, but the top table, it's kind of different. I don't know how you call it. It's not glass, but when you have dirts or whatsoever, you can easily wipe it. So I don't know how you call that top table. I bought that one in IKEA, and it's kind of hard, and we have to take Uber, and it's too expensive because we have to get the big one. It's a van or any big car that will fit the mom dress, instead of taking a small car for 4-seaters, I should say, and I have to take a 5-seater car or van, so it will fit the back. So whatever, we're already here. But I already checked out in the YouTube, some of the YouTubers or videos there, they change the drawer. No, I don't know how you call it, but they changed the one that you have to pull it in and out of the drawer. I don't know what part is that in the item. I think I'm gonna ask my husband to do it as well, so I can, when I pull the drawer, I can easily see all the makeups that I have also on the inner parts. Guys, as far as I can see right now, I did not really put it very perfectly in the middle, because you can see that it's like there's a structure straight there and there, but I did not put that straight. But you can still move the crystals if you want. I think I'm gonna finish what I opened, then I have to wash my face and go to sleep. Then I'll continue this one tomorrow. Okay guys, it's been a long day and my face looks so oily right now. So a while back that I'm saying I'm gonna finish this color and this and that, but I still continue because it's like when you started doing the rhinestone thing, it's like you're enjoying it and you're not gonna end. and I feel so tired. My nape hurts, and my tip is you need to have a high table. So you won't slouch your back and your nape. So I'm gonna show you the finished product, maybe, because it's gonna be long video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment down below, and share this video to your families and friends, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye. Mwah, 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 mwah.